Hi friends, welcome to Chenna Tech Point. Today topic is how to create a dynamic DB in AWS. Before start the dynamic DB, let's look into what is the difference between SQL and NoSQL. SQL comes under relational database system. NoSQL comes under non-relational or distributed database system. SQL is maintain the static or predefined schema. NoSQL maintain the dynamic schema. And SQL store the data in the form of tables. NoSQL maintain the data in the form of JSON documents, key value pairs, wide column stores, and graphs. SQL databases are best suitable for complex queries, and NoSQL databases are not so good for complex queries. SQL is vertically scalable, whereas come to NoSQL form of horizontally scalable. This means you can more traffic, you can handle the more traffic by sharing or adding the more servers into the NoSQL databases. SQL follow the ACID properties. ACID properties means atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Comes to NoSQL, it follow the CAP, consistency and availability and partition. Some of the examples to the SQL is MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, MS SQL. All these are examples for the SQL. Non-SQL examples are MongoDB, GraphQL, HBase, Cassandra, DynamoDB. Now, present we are discussing about DynamoDB provided by the AWS. The DynamoDB is comes under NoSQL. So let's start the session. What is DynamoDB? Go to AWS console, in search, type DynamoDB. Select this DynamoDB service. You can see Amazon DynamoDB. Fast and flexible NoSQL database service for any scale. Click on create table. Here asking to table name. I giving student table. Student details. Here we need to provide one unique key. And data type I selecting is string. And short ID I giving course ID. Otherwise we can leave this. Present I am taking only primary key only. This is optional. If you want to take any short key, that is optional. Present I am taking only primary key only. Scroll down. No need to change any values here. Click on create table. Now table is started. It will take some time. You can see status of this DynamoDB table is active. Select this table. Go to actions. Explore items. You can see no items are there. You can see click on this student details. You can see here we giving partition key student ID. Table is status is active. Item summary is 0. There is no items inserted still now. Go to actions. You can see so many options are there: delete table, create item, create index. Click on create item. Here you can see we can insert the values in the form of form view and JSON view. You can click on this. We can insert the data in the form of JSON. Otherwise, we can insert the data in form format. I will show you in two ways. Here student ID I am selecting 1011. I need to add one more columns here. Click on add new attributes. Data type is string. Here I am providing student name. Giving student name Chenna Tech Point. Create item. You can see in item one item is created successfully. Click on actions again. Create item. Again I am inserting the value 1022. Type is string. Click on add new attribute. Again student name some Sai. Again I add one more column with the type student, mention address, some Hyderabad location, create item, view table data. Here you can see two values inserted successfully. Suppose we want to change any values here, scroll on any one of the student ID. You can see if you want to copy it, copy, otherwise we want to edit it, click on edit. Click on this edit option. You can see if you want to change any values, any column names, you can change here. After that you can click on save changes. You can click on explore items. Click on student details. You have two options, scan or query items. Suppose you selecting default scan. Click on run. It will scan all the items. Click on query. Based on query we can filter the items. You can see mention student ID. I mentioned 1022. Click on run. You can get only 1022 item only. Like this, we can scan or query the items based on our requirement. Suppose I need 1011 only. Click on run. It will filter the only one item. In this way, DynamoDB is working. If you want to delete this table, click on this, select this table, click on delete, type delete, click on delete table. Like this, we can remove the table from the DynamoDB. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel for more updates.